Another day of the same thing. More rain. We got a truck in here and an excavator back there trying to do some work. Not good for the fence. It was so muddy in the back, the excavator's got to get out here, but he's having a hard time turning on the concrete. Everything's muddy. Very dangerous with a slick track, slick bed too. That guy's really good on that. Slick tracks, that's so hard. Good job, buddy.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and it's you and
Okay, the only part of the plans I've seen so far for this fence build, it's kind of hard to tell, but that's like 3 feet from the left side there against the fence. You'll be able to see it a little better with the drone shots. And that metal work you see there is going to be tied across the entire top of this right now, and they're going to pour that with concrete, and that'll be the end of this phase of the fence build. The next phase is going to be some sort of a metal product. And as you can see, it's getting ready to pour on us again. It's been doing this a lot lately. About 10 more minutes have gone by, and it started raining this much harder. Holy cow. Thunder and lightning.
Time waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days
Well, unfortunately you can't see it, but can you hear it? It hasn't failed us. It's been raining every single day now. It's just today, it took a little later to get here. Just barely got dark a little while ago. Yeah, I don't know what to expect back here. I see they've got some of their steel here, and the grass is growing with the rain. This stuff is going to be used on the top of what they have there right now. I forgot what to call it, but it's basically a cap rail, and they're going to do the fence tiebacks supported on that. So considering the amount of rain we've had this week, we did not get any rain yesterday. Quite a surprise. The only day we haven't had rain in, I don't know, 5 days, 6 days. But I see they've got things cleaned out. All the tieback holes are cleaned out and ready for cement. And I believe they can get the cement truck back here today if that's what their plan is, because I walked back today. It was kind of dry. I mean, I think dry enough they can get the cement truck in here anyhow. This ground obviously dries up pretty fast, surprising. But these steel structures they're going to lay across the top here and form that and pour concrete, and they'll have the bracing that ties back to these tieback holes. Then after he completes that part of this job, that ends this piece. There'll be a new type fence will go on top of this. Okay, thank you. They're out here setting the forms today for the upper concrete rail that's going to run across there, and they're digging out those cross supports like this one right here. It's very hot. They're all bundled up. Their forms. Yeah, the tiebacks are going to go down there. That's what's going to hold the fence from being able to be knocked over.